You already got ours.
Old time on top, we stand on
I don't want to see anybody at the rink tomorrow. Nobody. Take tomorrow out.
Shave. Oh, we're just coming to shave cars. You got to shave.
Never mind. I don't want anybody at the rink tomorrow. I know it's nice to win and everything else, but hey, we got to play Sunday, and it's going to be tougher than what we just finished with.
Straight up, Bucket. Brent.
By defending outstanding Windsor player in the series so far in that Niagara series, I think you would have to go along with Brent Jarrett. So 3 stars, Brent Jarrett, Frank Janisic, and Kevin McClellan. The final score, 5-4 Spitfires. We'll come back and take a look around. You're listening to Spitfire Hockey on CKWW.
Ernie turns, still has possession. In the corner, drops it back to Julian. Julian on the left side for LaRue. JP winds up, that shot blocked and cut. Fuller clears the rebound down the ice. With 2:03 remaining in the penalty.
What do you think about tomorrow night, Dennis? They're going to win. There's no question about it.
Good luck tomorrow night.
Okay, thanks.
Wayne?
Play for the same team, eh, jerk?
$80?
80. Section 12.
How many?
2.
For each game?
Okay, son.
$30.
Oh.
Cash a check. Charge X.
Is this legal or what? I don't know.
I'll tell you one thing right now. I'm not saying anything against Roland Melanson or anybody else, but I think our two goaltenders this year, going down the stretch, Sean had a good game today. Jimmy won us a game in their building 7-3. And that's what makes the fucking hockey club. Every guy in the fucking hockey club, not one or two, every guy contributes somewhere along the way, and we talk about that all the time. Now, we're going to work out tomorrow at noon. I better find out first if I get ice at noon, and we'll leave at 2 o'clock for Peterborough. Charlie Maxwell? Glenn Cutting? Paul Gagne? Julia. Blair Barnes, you got a couple of balls.
Congratulations. I saw your mother. Where did I see her the other day?
What corner was that? Big K coming up here. Skate up there. You don't fucking stop till the last fucking buzzer, Jay. Come on. Let's go knock it back on tonight. Go in there.
It's a hell of a club to fight back with all the time. Let them chase us for a change. Ernie Airline start, Gerard on right wing, and Mitch on left, and Claude and JP. Sean, let's go to work. Come on! Let's go now! Come on! Sit down for a sec. I think it's been a pretty good year, considering all that's been accomplished, trades and players picked up on waivers, and just the guys that contributed throughout the course of the year. We've all had our moments. We've all had our hardships. We've all had the glorious times. But nothing comes easy. And I'll tell you, you give it what you had. You didn't quit. Right to the bitter end. And it's just nice to be associated with you guys all year.
Treating your good luck charm like that.
I'm not worried about that. The other man is good.
That song won't get you.
Well, the U.S. moved stupid, and then it could have triggered.
Drive, why don't you bring your golf clubs?
Yeah.
We'll go there. I haven't played it this year. My hand comes and I will, but I go and hit it